Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sunrise paint the sky, the gentle breeze rustling through the trees. That's the magic of a barndominium with a wraparound porch. If you've ever dreamed of a home that perfectly blends indoor comfort with outdoor charm, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most beautiful and practical barndominium floor plans designed for true porch lovers. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's explore how to bring this dream to life. So, what's the big deal with wraparound porches anyway? Why are they becoming such a must-have feature for barndominium builds? First and foremost, they dramatically extend your living space. A porch isn't just an add-on, it's an outdoor living room, a dining area, and a front row seat to nature. It's the perfect spot for entertaining friends on a warm evening or simply relaxing with a good book. Beyond that, these porches offer incredible practical benefits. They provide ample shade during hot summer days, which helps keep your home naturally cooler and can even lower your energy bills. This passive cooling effect is a huge win for both your comfort and your wallet. Plus, let's be honest, nothing says classic farmhouse character quite like a wraparound porch. It instantly boosts your home's curb appeal, giving it a timeless, welcoming look that feels both grand and inviting. Now, let's talk about the design advantages that make these homes so special. The number one benefit is the seamless indoor-outdoor flow. A well-designed plan creates a natural transition from your interior spaces to the fresh air outside. Imagine having French doors that open from your living room, kitchen, or even your master suite directly onto the porch. These multiple access points make the porch feel like an integral part of your home, not just an afterthought. This design also floods your home with natural light and promotes fantastic cross-ventilation. With windows and doors on multiple sides, you can open them up to let a refreshing breeze flow through the entire house. This is especially wonderful for families and anyone who loves hosting gatherings. The porch becomes a versatile space for kids to play safely outdoors, for guests to mingle during a party, or for you to simply enjoy the panoramic views of your property. It's a design that truly celebrates its surroundings. Alright, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the floor plans. We've selected for popular layouts that showcase the versatility of a wraparound porch. First up is a fantastic 1,800 square foot family-focused barndo. This plan features a full, uninterrupted wraparound porch, giving you 360-degree access to the outdoors. Inside, you'll find an open-concept living and kitchen area at the heart of the home, with 3 bedrooms tucked away for privacy. The master suite has its own private door to the porch, perfect for those quiet morning moments. It's a smart, efficient layout that maximizes every square foot for a busy family. Next, we have a slightly larger, 2,200 square foot modern farmhouse design. This one is for the entertainers. It boasts a massive open kitchen with a large island that flows directly into a dedicated porch dining area. The porch is extra deep on this side of the house, easily accommodating a large table for al fresco dinners. With vaulted ceilings in the great room and large windows everywhere, this home feels incredibly bright and spacious. What if you're looking for something a bit smaller? Our third plan is a charming 1,400 square foot compact barndo, ideal for couples, retirees, or as a weekend getaway home. It proves you don't need a massive footprint to enjoy the wraparound porch lifestyle. This layout smartly places the main living spaces on one side to take advantage of the best views, with 2 cozy bedrooms on the other. It's all about efficient, simple living without sacrificing style or comfort. Finally, for those who want to maximize both space and views, we have a 2-story barndominium plan. This design is a showstopper. It features a full wraparound porch on the ground floor and a complimentary upper balcony, often accessible from the upstairs bedrooms or a loft area. This gives you multiple outdoor zones, one for large gatherings below and a more private, elevated retreat above. It's the ultimate solution for properties with breathtaking scenery. Of course, a great floor plan is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you add your personal touch with design and decor. The style of your porch sets the tone for your entire home. For a rustic, classic farmhouse look, think about chunky wood posts and beams. If you prefer something more modern, sleek metal railings combined with stone bases can create a stunning contrast. Then, it's time to furnish your outdoor oasis. A porch swing is practically a requirement, isn't it? Add a few comfortable rocking chairs, an outdoor dining set, or even some cozy deep-seating sofas. To create that magical ambience in the evening, you can't go wrong with string lights. They add an instant layer of warmth and charm. Finally, bring in some life with planters filled with colorful flowers or herbs. And lay down a few durable outdoor rugs to define different seating areas and add a touch of softness underfoot. Remember to blend your outdoor colors with your home siding for a cohesive, professionally designed look. Now for a crucial topic, the cost and build considerations. It's important to budget for your dream porch. Generally, adding a wraparound porch can add around $10 to $20 per square foot to your total build cost, depending on the materials and complexity. The final price tag will be influenced by factors like your foundation, roofing choices, and labor costs in your area. You'll also want to decide between covered versus open or screened-in sections. A fully covered porch offers protection from rain and sun, while a screened-in area is perfect for enjoying buggy evenings. The right choice really depends on your local climate and how you plan to use the space. Most importantly, choose durable, low-maintenance materials. Your porch will be exposed to the elements, so you want it to last. Pressure-treated wood is a classic, affordable choice. Composite decking is a popular upgrade that resists fading and requires less upkeep. For the roof, a metal roof is a fantastic option for a barndominium, as it's incredibly durable and complements the modern farmhouse aesthetic perfectly. To help you visualize the final result, let's look at some real-life inspiration. Here are a few stunning barndominiums that truly nail the wraparound porch lifestyle. Notice how this home uses dark siding with natural wood posts for a beautiful, high-contrast look. The porch is furnished with multiple conversation areas, making it perfect for hosting. And look at this one. The white exterior combined with a metal roof is the epitome of modern farmhouse charm. The family who lives here says the porch is their favorite part of the house, where they watch their kids play in the yard and enjoy family dinners almost every night. These homes aren't just beautiful structures, they are hubs of comfort, connection, and a family-friendly lifestyle. They prove that a well-designed porch can completely transform how you experience your home. The end. A wraparound porch isn't just an architectural addition, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to slowing down, to connecting with nature, and to creating a space for what truly matters. It's the perfect stage for watching sunsets, for sharing laughter during family moments, and for embracing simple living at its very best. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of wraparound porch barndominiums. I hope you're feeling inspired. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home design ideas, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, happy building!